Hey there! Welcome to Lightning Proxies. Today we're going to show you how to set up the FoxyProxy extension. First, open Chrome, head to the FoxyProxy extension download page and install it. Once it's installed, click on the extension icon, then go to Options. From there, switch to the Proxies tab, click Add, and give your new profile a name. Next, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. Pick the proxy plan you want, open the generator, and adjust your country settings and sticky session settings. Copy a proxy session from the generator. Go back to the FoxyProxy profile you just made. Paste the proxy session details and hit Save. Finally, enable the profile and you're good to go. Happy browsing!